It's pretty much the home screen of the application and very easy to use. It may look complicated, but trust me, it's very easy to use. At the top here, you have the photo editing feature, which you can use to edit your photos. And as you can see here, very basic AI features as well. You have the AI clothing features. You have the simple editing features, which you can use and enhance the image to 4K. You have the adjusting features, basic editing, photo editing stuff, guys. Nothing much for that. Same thing for the video editing option. Nothing much for that as well. You do have the time machine simulator, which pretty much, as you can see, this is pretty much the results of you using the time machine feature here. You have the colorize option as well. You have the 4K improving our image enhance feature. As you can see here, AI enhance feature here as well. You have create image feature here. As you can see, this pretty much allows you to generate AI images using text or prompt. So if you do tap on the get started option, you'll be able to enter your prompt and as well select the style that you want and how much images you want as well. As you can see here, scroll down to 1, and at the top here, this is how much stars you have. You pretty much get 3 stars. You can see I get 8 points to be able to generate at least one video using that amount of points. So that's really pretty much it for that. There you have some other AI features or AI templates which you can use as well, but these require a subscription. As you can see here at the top, you may see a little star icon. That pretty much means you're gonna need a subscription to use those features. Some of these AI tools are free, like for example the effects for this one, you're able to replicate the same effects. Same thing for this here, be able to use this for completely free. And this pretty much explains everything by looking at the photo. You have the beauty and the makeup option here. Pretty much explains itself as well for this as well. So all you have to do is pretty much select the one that you want, upload a clear image of yourself or what you want to add makeup to, and you're pretty much good to go. Same thing for the adjust and editing feature. You have the filtering feature here. You have the image adjust as well. So these are very basic to use, and you have the remove background feature. All you have to do is select the one that you want, as I said before, and upload the photo that you want to remove the background for. For most of these features, it's very simple to use. So the video tools section here is very easy as well. So you have the crop option, you have the video colors, multiple clips, video details, meaning changing the video filters. So nothing much for that. As it relates to the subscription for this AI application here, you can tap on this here where it says unlock premium tools, or you can tap on the plus option down here where it says plus to be able to see the subscription prices. You can see that they do offer a 7-day subscription, and the prices, as you can see here, prices and pretty much everything. And if you want to test out their premium features or any one of their premium features, can get their 7-day free trial and test it out. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So in the settings option here, you do get user profile, nothing much for that. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use. And if I missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.